A lot of people have characterized this last contraction of the economy as a man session, meaning that it has differentially affected men rather than women, and that women may be gaining a foothold in corporations, in part because they're paid less than men generally. But what our findings show is that at those very top levels, this recession, starting in 2008, the number of women at the top levels, percentage-wise, significantly decreased in 2009 and then again in 2010. One optimistic part of the report is that women have been making a slow but steady progress upward. We found that at the end of the decade, they basically lost all the gains that they had locked in over the previous course of the decade. So that was quite surprising to us, that the recession would have really differentially affected the women at the top ranks, because this is all done percentage-wise, percentage of women versus men. As economic resources get more scarce, women are a more vulnerable population. And in particular, we actually found that younger women were extremely vulnerable at this stage. So the drop in percentage of female executives that were under the age of 40 was really large between 2008 and 2009, much larger than for any of the other groups. On the other hand, I should say that women who are 60 and over remained relatively stable despite the 2008 to 2009 and then 2009 to 2010 drops. So their numbers are not dropping. It's the younger women that are. I think one of the things that women can learn is that some industries appear to be more female-friendly than other industries. So that there are some industries such as retailing and pharmaceuticals where women seem to be a large percentage, a significantly larger percentage of the population at the executive level. And so a question then becomes, what is going on with those industries? But for sure, there is a difference across industries that's significant. I'd like to add one more thing, which is that we really do need more of a dialogue about what to do about these numbers, because I don't think that the solution is going to be heavy-handed in forcing corporations to do certain things, because we've seen from other research that a heavy-handedness in increasing percentages of women has not had a very good effect. So I think there's a lot of subtle factors that go into play to why we have the numbers as we do, and much more research needs to be done about what those factors are before we start to impose solutions. It's better to have a ground-up dialogue about the solutions.